introduction. You all know me. You all know me. You know me well. You know Adamoshiyomole well. Pastor. Now, I have to rush to the airport. I won't say more than that. They will lock us in by 7:30. And I have to do some important work for you and me in Abuja before 8:30. So, it's either I will deliver my message through Adam, and the message will not disappoint you. So, our G14, I hope everybody has obtained their forms. Solid. You have submitted it. You have filled it out. God bless you. You are very, very loyal, dedicated, and we are still going to fight further. Don't worry. We are with you. You will not walk alone. I'm going to do our job in our interest, for the sake of all of us, for the sake of our country, for the benefit and prosperity of all of us. Nobody can supersede the work of Almighty. You cannot be superior to the work of God. One thing I can show you is this. Do you want the door back? Yeah! Thank you. Thank you. As the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I will give the door back to you. And then we turn to a beautiful, if not more beautiful than Lagos, will be equal to Lagos. Be assured of that. Good night.